All right, today I want to talk about the definition of a line segment. A line segment is the finite section of the line consisting of two endpoints. For example, this is a segment. It has a beginning point and a terminal point, whereas a line goes infinitely in both directions. Has no beginning, has no end. That's the difference between a line and a line segment. We have also what you call a ray. And these are going to be some rays here. They have a terminal point, a beginning point, and it continues out infinitely in one direction. And here's another example of a ray. A line segment never curves, so this would not be a line segment. A line segment never curves, it's always straight. This includes the definition of a line segment.